नमस्कार। आज की क्लास में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं HTML टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट एंड टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे आई टैग, यू टैग, बी टैग, सुपर टैग and subtext. One by one I am explaining you. If you want to show some text in different ways in HTML web page, there are 5 text formatting texts are available: I, U, V, super and sub. I for Italic, U stands for underline and B stands for bold. SUP stands for super and SUB stands for subscript. It means if you want to show some text in italic format, underline format, bold, superscript means x power 2, x square 2. In this way, if you want to show some text, you can use super tag. And if you want to show some mathematical and chemistry equation like C6 S12 O6, in this condition we are using subtext. Now we are trying to understand this concept by using an example. For this I am using editor and I am using top best editor is Notepad++. Here I have already mentioned code, but I will explain you each and everything. This is the basic HTML structure and why I am using Notepad++. You can see here, when I am clicking on the HTML, the closing tag will automatically highlight it. If I am clicking on head, title and body, as we know, whatever I am writing in the title tag, it will be shown on the heading of the web page. Now I am writing code here, and this B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. I have mentioned here in statement this is my school and closing B tag. And I'm deleting this text code right now because after that I will explain you why I was using that. In same way, I for italic and closing I, U for underline and closing U. I have mentioned some statements between these. When I will execute this, I will show how it will be shown. And here I am mentioning H super 21 super close, O super 22 super close, like this. C sub 6 super close, H sub 6 sub close, and O sub. Save this file. Saving. This file is saving. I'm saving again on save. On desktop test.html already is mentioned, just replace this on desktop test. Click open and open with. There are two options. I want to open with Chrome and I will click open with Google Chrome. My default browser is Mozilla Firefox, that's why I am clicking open. When it will be open, you can see the result of the web page. And you can see the output is this. This is my school, then this is my school, this is my school. First text is showing in bold, second is italic, and third one is in underline format. And you can see S21 or 21 is superscript, C6 S6 or 12 is subscript, but it's not looking good, so I am using here that is empty tag, no requirement to close. And empty tag is BR tag. BR tag is used to give the line break. I am using 2 BR here, so it will give 2 line break. And for all these, save this file and refresh the web page. There you can see this is text is showing bold, this is underline, sorry, italic, and this is in underline. Now this text, superscript and subscript tag are little bit tricky. I am explaining each and everything. If I want to show like this, A power like 21, then B power like by 23. So for this I am writing here A superscript 21 superscript close, then B superscript 22 close this, save this, and you can see the difference. A 21 B 21. In this way, C6 it will show only, sorry, save this file and refresh the web page. You will see C6 only. Then S6 O12, S6 O12. After every use, any changes, you should save the file and then refresh the web page. This is the C6 S6 O12. This, I think it is clear for you. I will mention the code in description. You can copy paste in your notepad and see the differences between this. Thank you.